Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today we will learn to make simple chicken roll and that too restaurant style. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. To start with, we will make a simple dip or mayo. For that I've taken thick curd. This I had hung in a strainer for about half an hour. This is just home set curd. To this curd I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon oregano or mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon olive oil for that nice glossy effect, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. I had shared tomato sauce recipe in the previous video. For all those who have not seen it, please do watch it. The link will be given below, and please do share your feedback in the comment section below. Now mix all these ingredients really well using a whisk. You can also add more ingredients like garlic powder if you like the flavor of garlic in your mayo. So our simple mayo is ready. It is easy and healthy. Please do try out and share your feedback in the comment section below. Next we move on to our chicken part. For that I've taken a cast iron pan. Cast iron helps in iron absorption into our body. Now onto this pan I've added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If your cast iron pan is seasoned well, the food will not stick onto the pan and you will require very less oil for cooking. So I've added the chicken onto this pan. This is 500 grams of chicken cubes which have been washed and cleaned. Now into this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything really well and cook for about 5 minutes on low flame. Next add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute the garlic and then mix it along with the chicken cubes. Then finally cover and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the chicken is nice and tender. To check if the chicken has cooked really well or not, take one piece and gently cut and see. If it is juicy, you can switch off the flame. Next let's start assembling the chicken roll. For that I've taken here 1 tortilla. You can also take normal whole wheat chapatis or rotis for this. Now onto this tortilla wrap I'll be applying the mayonnaise replacement or the tangy sauce that we had prepared earlier. It not only tastes similar to mayonnaise but also is a healthy version. So please do try out and do share your feedback. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. So now on top of this I'll be placing the lettuce. Here I've used romaine lettuce. You can use whichever lettuce is available. On top of it we will keep the juicy chicken chunks. Then you can start filling with the vegetables of your choice. Here I have some capsicum strips, some cabbage, that is red cabbage strips, some finely sliced onions, and finally 1 slice of cheese. Now fold the tortilla as shown in this video. So this is the restaurant style tortilla wrap or chicken roll. I will also teach you the trending triangle tortilla wrap. So please do watch the video till the end. Now for that I've taken another tortilla wrap. I'll give a small incision from the center. After the slit on 1/4 part of the wrap I'll apply the tangy sauce. And then on the next part I'll be placing the lettuce and few veggies. Now on the next part I'll be placing the juicy chicken cubes. Finally towards the end I'll be placing the cheese slice, and then please wrap the roll as shown in this video. So finally our triangular chicken roll or tortilla wrap is ready. So now let's grill it. I'm using here a griller. You can also use normal tawa and grill it on both the sides, applying some ghee. So here I'll be applying a little bit of ghee on the griller and then I'll be placing the tortilla wraps or the chicken rolls onto this. So after about 1 minute our crispy and juicy chicken rolls are ready. Similarly we'll grill the remaining ones. I cut and show you how the chicken roll has turned out. It is crispy outside and very hot and juicy inside. You should definitely try out. It is really an easy recipe. If you have some leftover chicken and few cut veggies, you can make this in no time and delight your family and friends. So I hope you all like this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.